Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, I am so fine. So, again, we are studying polynomials. In the last class, we have studied about these all things. Today, we'll learn about the factorization of polynomials. Okay, remember theorem, factor theorem. We have studied. Now, it's time to study about the factorization. So, many identities we have discussed in the class. One time, I would like to show you that identities. See here, these were those identities. If you have not forgot that, so these were the identities. See nicely, x, that is x plus y whole square, it is given. Identity number 2, x minus y whole square. Then there is identity number 3, that is a x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. So see, all these we are now going to study in our revision class. So the first identity that I have taken today is this example, identity number 8. In my video we'll start with this identity, okay, and many identities will be solved, all not possible. So even then, as much as possible we'll try to include in our video there, okay. I just tried. So see, and I hope you all will like this also. So here is that video. See, in that we have discussed lots of things. Today we are going to revise chapter 3, okay, that is factorization of polynomials. So 1, 2, 3 questions we will discuss those many videos we have posted. You can see watch that videos also. They will get more and more. Online classes are going on. There also you can ask questions. But these questions we will discuss here, that will also help you. So as I have told, that will start from our at the equivalence BQ. See, this is the questions I have written, and we'll try to solve this question. See this. AQ minus BQ. So first of all, I should know what is the value of AQ minus BQ. What is the formula of AQ minus BQ? So that formula of we have to find this value. Now from where this is, they have given us a by b and b by a. They have not given us a minus b or something else. So now we go in our hint that they have given. So now we can say a by b plus b by a is equal to minus 1. Take calcium. Take calcium. So what will happen? Now this will become ab outside become a square plus b square minus 1. Okay? Minus 1. So we can say that a square plus b square minus ab by cost of multiplication. So we can say this also that a square plus b square plus ab is equal to 0. And this is our key solution. We have got that. Why this is key solution? Because this we are of the taking care of this formula which is required. Okay, so now a square plus b square plus ab is equal to 0. So now we can solve this question like this. So this will become a minus b into 0. That's now we have discussed why this is because this was an less term from here. So we can say that if a by b plus b by is equal to minus 1, then aq minus bq in this question is 0. So this is our one solution. Okay. Now some more questions to discuss here. So basically if we start, we have to use the formula. Now we'll discuss some more entities. See, the entity that we are going to discuss here is this one. We are going to discuss here this entity number 9, this one. Okay, so we are going to discuss this. Okay, see how. Here is that. Okay, see this question I have written here. So now see this. A, B and C. So we can say that adding this is A square plus B square plus A B Z. A by B. Okay, this is A square. A square plus by B square. A cube plus B plus C. Okay, now remember that identity here, that is based on formula AQ plus BQ plus CQ is equal to ABC where A plus B plus C is equal to 0. We have learned this formula in our classes. So see here, this is CQ plus BQ plus C. Here, and this is also A plus B plus C is equal to 0 even. So these two satisfy this identity here. Yes? Very good. So we can write that AQ plus BQ plus CQ is equal to 3ABC. But in place of this, we can write there ABC by ABC. Okay? So this equation will become here. What? The reason is this one. This is the reason. This formula is the reason. So we can ABC is cancelled. That value is clear. Okay. So here is some more questions. So this is how we have found the value of this expression. Yes, from here it was looking complicated, but as we started to solve, it became easy and easy only. Okay, now the next entry that we will discuss here is this one. Here, this one, xq plus yq. Okay, see nicely, or xq minus yq. This both are almost same, only the sign is changed, and that sign change. See one thing, whatever that common sign, see plus is there, here is also plus. Everywhere it is plus, only at one place it is minus, that is before x into y. In xq minus yq, see here, everywhere it is minus, only it is minus here. Here it is that minus xy has become plus xy. It was minus xy, it is becoming plus xy. Only one change, and rest is that same only. See anything? See one time that question. Now this is the question. I will choose here that is whole term is A and this whole term is B. Okay, that means I have AQ plus BQ. Okay, I have this formula of AQ plus BQ and know that what is the formula of AQ plus B, that is A plus B. A square plus B square minus AB. Okay, so now this is given here only. What is my A? My A is x plus 1. My A is equal to x plus 1. My B is equal to x plus 1. Now just replace the value in this formula and you can cancel. So here, this will become A plus B, that is x plus 1 plus x minus 1. And here it will become x plus 1 plus x minus 1 minus x plus 1 x plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay. Now plus 1 minus 1 cancel it. So this will become 2x. Inside will become x square plus 1 plus 2x. Plus this will become x square plus 1 minus 2x minus this will become x square minus 1. How many identities has been used in this question? First AQ plus BQ, then A plus B square and B square, and then A square minus B square. It's a very nice question. Many identities have been used in this question. Now this will become 2x. Now here plus 2x minus 2x is what cancel. So now this will become x square plus 2 square. square plus 1. Okay. We have opened that bracket there. Now so the final answer is become 2x. Now 2x square minus x square. 2x square plus 3. So this is the answer of that question. One time you can see that. And this is equal to x plus 1 whole cube plus x minus 1 whole cube. Okay. So this. So children, see, by using this identity we have solved this question and it has come the solution. So basic is that you remember the identities only, that is very important. Okay, now see here, one more questions we have tried to solve. This is on base general formula. Just see this is the question. So that means we have a chance to convert them into a perfect square of binomial. See how? X square plus 1 by x square. That means this can be written as x square plus 1 by x square minus. This is 2. So this can be written as 2 into x into 1 by x. Yes? If this can be written like this also, then minus 2x plus x. I change the thing, no? Not a problem. I have arranged in a way so that I can get my answer. So this is now this whole term is equal to this, and that is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is x minus 1 by x whole square minus I will take common here 3. It will become x minus 1 by x. Okay. Now this is term number 1 and this is term number here. In these two terms, what is common? What is common? So common is x minus 1 here also and here also. So the lowest part of x minus 1 by x will come out. So x minus 1 by x is coming outside. Inside there will be x minus 1 by x minus 8. So this is your answer of the second question. So what we did, we just found that how this can be arranged so that I can get a perfect squares of binomial, because two perfect squares are there. Okay. So now, class, remember. So this is how we have solved using this identity a minus b whole square and then taking the common from the grouping there. That is the method of this question. So many things are there. You can practice at your home and you will solve each and every question. That also I know. Okay, and all the best for your studies, class, and the next class will discuss something new topics there. Till then, everyone take care and remain safe. Thank you, class. Thank you very much.